Thanks for helping clean. Can you clean the oven? Wow, thanks. What about the oven, sweetie?
There must be something down there.
There's something on the floor that's bugging you. Oh, the oven. Thanks. Out, damn spot. Yay. Oh, yuck. Wiping your nose. Oh, now the floor. Awesome.
Get down there and get into it.
Should we give you a toothbrush just to really get into the grooves?
Is it clean yet, Tyler?
What about, can you clean the door?
Tyler.
Thanks. Good girl. You want to open?
Or you need help to clean?
No. Thanks. Thanks, Tyler. Thank you.
What do you think, Ty?
A lot of times, Tyler, you notice little spots on the wall and you go and clean them too. Thanks, Tyler. Now where?